Hi guys! I sound loud. Hey everybody. We're twinning today, like we always do.
Hello to the camera.
Oh my god.
Hello.
We're twinning today, guys. We are twinning. And everybody's looking at me in the traffic like I am a crazy woman.
Crazy man.
Listen, what kind of woman is walking with her phone up into her face like this?
And talking loudly.
And talking loudly in the street. Oh, but my hand is getting tired. I don't think I can hold this up very longer. You guys wondering where Tyler is? We auction him off to another family. We no longer need him. Hey babe. We auction off Tyler. I'm just kidding. We would never do that. There he is.
Put him on Amazon.
Say hi, Baba. Say hello.
Tyler.
Always give his like a cute smile. Today is walking day. We are walking to our fruits and vegetable supermarket. And then, guess what? Where are we going, honey? Later?
Going to the park.
We're going to the park. We're going to the park, guys. Today is the day when the park is open. So we shall bring you guys along with us. Having some fun. And I'm going to show you all the goodness. Why?
Well, knowing you're not going to have some fun in terms of
I'm going to have.
You're going to eat.
No.
That's
Yes.
the only thing that matters for you. Just going there and get some food.
That's right. I enjoy the food from the park. However, I enjoy just looking at the rides. I am not going on any, but I'm definitely going to look.
One day I'm going to explain you the first time we went Disneyland.
We shall go to Disneyland again, and I'll definitely bring you guys along with us.
But before this, you know what's happened Disneyland first time.
We'll have a story time and tell them. So we're almost there. Okay, you guys, we're finally at the park, and I'm about to show you around. This park is installed here around this time each year, and it is some crazy rides. So I'm about to show you around, so follow us. You're excited, Tyler?
There's another one.
He's having his own show.
Nobody watching him except you.
Oh my god, I will never ever go on one of these. Never ever go on one of these. I will die. Look at this one. There's Beb and Tyler. I want you guys to see this one spinning. It's crazy. It's the craziest of the park. Go this way. Straight down. Go this way. You guys won't be able to hear me though. It's so loud in here. Child, I need earplugs. He's looking though.
Where you want to go?
Food! Ha! That's the food, honey. This is my favorite thing to eat every single year when I come to this park. What is it called, honey?
Churros.
Huh?
Churros.
Churros? It's called churros. What is it made from?
What?
Rust? Churros? And it's made from some kind of butter. I can't tell you. I maybe can handle this one. Maybe. I can maybe take this one. I don't think I can take any other. Ha! Don't judge me. I'm getting my fat girl on. It's heaven. Trust me. Baby's going in.
Look at this one.
Can't touch.
They're riding in the dark.
Yeah, it would be scary for me to do that.
Look, they're gonna stop them.
And then it's gonna reverse to a different direction.
It's gonna reverse. Someone I'm looking to crash.
Seriously? This is another cool one, but I don't think I would do it. It doesn't look too bad though. This one doesn't look too bad, love. This one doesn't look too bad. I think I could have done this one.
Oh yeah. Want to do it alone?
No, no.
Okay.
2 minutes of fun for Grande. What you win? What you win?
bleu
I love this juice. I have to have one.
You want to mix
No, I want it straight.
On prend un même moyen complet bleu.
So I'm having this one. This is always my favorite. It tastes so good. Stop. Not bad at all. I can't reach it.
You're mad.
He says I'm a mess. Oh. Hey Ty. Hey Papa. Hey. Hey. Tyler. Look. He wants to touch things. Ready? And go. Way. Yet. You like it, Papa? You like it? You like it? Look at you! We're gonna have to see this together. Hey! Ah, you did it all by yourself.
He knows
Oh my god!
He knows how to do it. He knows how to swing himself.
Oh my god! Hey, Baba! Hey! You're so cute! Hey! Go, Tyler! Hey! 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 Yes! I told you I came here with him before and it was too much kids in the park. There was no space for him and I had to leave. But now the park is empty in this section and look at you, Baba. You like it. You like it. I was sure you would like it. Yes. Woo! 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 It's getting late and we decide that we're ready to go home.
We want to avoid the rain.
And it seems like it's going to rain.
It's going to rain soon, so we want to reach home before it starts to rain.
So that's
a mess otherwise.
oh yeah, and
sick.
there's so many people in the park. So that's it for our park experience, and hope you guys enjoy your little park tour. My hair is a mess.
It's a cushion.
Oh, it's a cushion. Okay, you guys, we're about to end this vlog. We're tired. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
You said